So this is a tribute to Vaishali ma'am and to Fadke sir and to Leena ma'am for the work that they're doing for the community, for the world, for the medical world, for the extra medical world. Because I think contribution to all of us is creating a lot of usefulness to the society. And what I see in Vaishali madam is that when she's doing this work, it is giving her a lot of joy and inner fulfillment. So when I say she brings people together from all over the world, I would say from all over the country, and she puts them together in one room, and then we are in flow in that particular room with the help of other people also. But today I have realized one thing, that Vaishali ma'am, whatever she's doing, she's not doing for herself. It is a joy of giving to others, that she's having the pleasure of her life, that joy in her life. So this is what I want to say. This is the joy of human connection. And one of the antidote to stress and cortisol is oxytocin. And when we bring people together, when we do something for other people, we connect with other people and we create those beautiful, magical oxytocin moments which give us inner joy. So thank you very much, Vaishali ma'am, Leena ma'am, and sir, Patke sir. It has been an beautiful, spectacular experience, and what you're doing for the community is worth $1,000,000. Yeah. So please continue to do the work and spread your love. And we cherish you, and we cherish the friendship that you create. And I have made the maximum friends over here. And I wanted to be here, and I'm so glad that I was here for the last 2-3 days. And tomorrow I'm going away. Sir has a plan to come a little early. Thank you so much.
We have learned many things today about mind, body, and I'll add to that spirit, mind, body, and spirit, because our whole system is functioning through so many receptors, so many sensors, and millions of data is goes to brain, and brain sorts it out. What we have learned today, it is the receptors and the sensor failure that gives rise to diseases. If you improve your sensors through meditation, through yoga, which should be cultivated right from the childhood, your sensors remains very active, you remain less diseased. So, right from the childhood, what Madam said, the yoga and the meditation should be taught in the schools so that their sensors remain active and they are very helpful for a healthy person. You don't get disease more.
So Vaishali ma'am, thank you so much for doing and arranging this workshop. And I feel that is one of the greatest joy for us, for people bringing community together. And I think that really works in such a way. It's like a butterfly effect. You have started something, and we really get so inspired by you that in our level, in our way, we can pass it on somewhere in the society, in the community, whether it's society, ladies, people, where we can pass it on, this knowledge, this act, the purpose behind it is so amazing. Like, you really touch people's lives. It's not you are just touching, bringing people together. You are touching their lives, changing it for a better way in a long term, not just for for a day or something. You are changing their thought process. You are challenging them to think what they are doing in their life. So bringing so many intelligent, beautiful minds together is just amazing, and we really thank you from the bottom of our heart for doing that. Thank you so much.
Hello all. Synapse 2026. This conference actually integrated all the disciplines, and me as a nutritionist learns a lot when I'm integrating with other disciplines of psychiatry, neurology, endocrinology, and so on. So I think the best opportunity and a platform for us to learn the maximum in a holistic approach to every area of health which we are working on. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Aniruddin Nagarkar. I am part of this Synapse conference from last 5 years. I am working in Pune as a consultant. I am very happy to be a part of this conference because of the Vaishali madam. She is teaching us the practical life, how to deal with the daily patients like obesity, diabetes, exercise, everything. And this is the need of the hour. This conference teaches you how you have to be in daily life. not just depend on the medicines, you have to focus on the diet, exercise, everything. So it is a mindful conference. You have to be a part of it, and I think you all should join it every day. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Anu Mahajan, clinical nutritionist from Bhakar, Pune. So I've been attending Synapse conference since 2022, and this is the third time I am attending, and it's been a grateful. All the sessions are very insightful. You can learn a lot about the metabolic syndrome. You can learn a lot about mind brain connection, which is much needed at this point of time, because when we are working with the patient, it's not just one thing that works. It has to be a holistic approach, and if you want to learn, please join and do come here to learn this. Thank you.
Madam has taken great effort for management. बऱ्याच गोष्टी पहिल्यांदाच शिकायला मिळाल्या. त्याच्यामध्ये ब्रेनचा ओबेसिटीमध्ये रोल आहे हे पहिल्यांदा जाणवलं. आतापर्यंत आपण माइंडवर जास्त बोलत होतो, परंतु मनाच्या कंट्रोलपेक्षा सुद्धा ब्रेनचे वेगवेगळे कोऑर्डिनेटर केमिकल्स आणि वेगवेगळे सर्किट्स. दुसरी गोष्ट ॲडोपोसाइट्स, त्यांचं डिस्फंक्शन, त्याचाही ओबेसिटीमध्ये रोल आहे हे महत्त्वाचं कळालं. डाएट, एक्झरसाइज बरोबर माइंड कंट्रोल आणि बिहेवियरल मॅनेजमेंट ही सुद्धा महत्त्वाची आहे हे लक्षात आलं.